guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, I actually asked you guys, I want to say a few days ago, what you guys want to see more of, what do you guys want to see for the last few videos till the end of Curlsmas, and a lot of you guys mentioned you want to see some curly hairstyles. Now, I'm not somebody who typically does hairstyles. I'm typically a wash and go, leave your hair alone type of gal, and I do remember a few hairstyles that I used to do a lot more back then. So I'm gonna bring these back and do some looks for you guys and see what I come up with. But before we get started on this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you don't miss another video. I'm also gonna attach my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I still have the CurlSmith hair makeup in my hair, and I figured why not just do some hairstyles and see how it looks with the color, because why not? So since I feel a lot of my issues in the past were in my front area, I do want to do a hairstyle that kind of takes the front pieces and kind of sets them away from your face. When I do hairstyles, I don't typically like hair in my face. I like to have my hair away from me and just pulled back. I think I'm gonna come up with a few braided or twisted hairstyles just to see what I can come up with. I wanna do something with the front. I think I might do a few braids up in the front and then do like a half up, half down, do a ponytail, do a low ponytail, just different varieties of that look. Wow. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm actually parting my hair using my viewfinder. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so if my parts look a little crazy, don't judge me because I'm working with what I have at the moment. So what we're gonna do is create a section in the center, and we're gonna create 4 subsections off this center. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the rest of my hair back and just start parting these center pieces. What I'm gonna do is actually braid each one. Keep in mind that I am not in any way, shape, or form a professional braider whatsoever. My braids be looking hella crazy, but once my hair is tied back and everything is put together, it looks fine. And people always ask me, oh my God, who taught you how to braid? And I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing. So we're gonna repeat the same exact thing till we create 4 braids in the center, and then we're gonna work with that. Remember how I said I had the CurlSmith hair makeup on? I completely forgot, and when I looked at my hand, it was like all covered in the color. So just keep in mind, if you are gonna be doing this with the CurlSmith hair makeup, try not to add too much water or too much product, because I find that it does transfer very easy when it's wet. So, I mean, probably you won't be doing it with the CurlSmith hair, and if you do, that's fine, but just keep in mind that it does transfer when it's wet. So the first look I'm gonna go for is typically my go-to, which is a half up, half down. Keep in mind that I'm not gonna be slicking my hair back as I would if it were my final look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it up so you guys can get an idea of what it would look like. So I normally like to do a good half up, half down and use my hair to conceal the hair tie. And the next look is going to be a simple pineapple. I'm telling you guys, if you have something in the center, whether it be braids, twists, anything, I do feel like any look goes. But I love me a good pineapple, especially when my curls look super defined like today. And the next look is going to be a high ponytail. I have been loving high ponytails lately. Now that my hair is actually getting longer, I've been loving the ponytail look. So again, this is very perfect, very easy for any type of look. You can dress it casual, dress it fancy, do whatever you want to do with this hairstyle. I even use it to go to the gym, honestly. If you do your face and you look cute, you can pretty much dress it up, dress it down, whatever you want to do. And the last look is a low bun. Again, I also love me a low bun. This is perfect if you have an outfit that has a lot going on and you don't really want your hair to be hanging all out. This is perfect. Just conceal your hair but make it look pretty in the process. You really can't go wrong with a low bun. Okay guys, so those are just a few hairstyles that I put together with this little braided piece in the center of my hair. Of course, if you were gonna choose a particular hairstyle, I would go ahead and actually slick all of my hair back, make it look real nice. I, of course, for this video, I didn't wanna slick each hairstyle so that I didn't wanna mess up my hair completely and actually slick each back because it might have looked a little crazy. I wasn't sure if I was gonna leave it out for some parts, so I decided to leave it kind of natural and no slick. You can definitely leave it as is, but if you want to make it look a little bit more sleek and a little bit more fresh, then I definitely would sleek it all back. And yeah, those are just a few hairstyles. You can also put it in a low tight bun, you could put it on a high bun, whatever. The opportunities are endless. That's why I like to do like a little kind of like braided or twisted style in the center because I feel like you could do so much with it. Granted, my braiding is not perfect. As I mentioned in the video, my braiding is not perfect at all. So you're more than welcome to do little twists, whatever works for you, because when I'm telling you, when you slick it all back, it all looks good. It does not matter if your braids are like perfect, like as long as they're put back pretty even, nicely parted for the most part, you're good. But yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.